everyone, welcome to the Python tutorial. This video is about the concepts of NumPy in Python. We start by defining NumPy. NumPy is a fundamental package for scientific computing in Python. It is used to perform a wide variety of mathematical operations on arrays and matrices. When compared to a list, it is more memory efficient, fast, and convenient to use. The standard convention to write NumPy is import NumPy. Now we will learn how to create a NumPy from a list. Let's say there's a list D that contains values from 10 to 50. We print D and we find the list. Now, if we want to create a NumPy, we write NumPy underscore D, which is equal to np.array. We'll copy this element of the list, paste it, and we will write print np underscore D. Here we can see this is a NumPy array. We see that the NumPy array does not contain comma if there are a group of elements. Now we will find the number of axes of the array. To find the number of axes of the array, we write print np underscore D dot ndim. Gives us that it is a one-dimensional array. To find a matrix with n rows and n columns, we use the shape function. So to find the shape of this array, we write print p underscore D dot shape, and the shape is 5. Now, if you want to find the total number of elements of the array, we write print np underscore D dot size. So here we use the size function. We see there are 5 elements in total in the NumPy array. Now, if we want to find the type of the elements, we write print np underscore D dot type. Here we see that it's an integer. Now, if you want to create an array, so let's see how we create it. Suppose there's an array with name A, which is equal to np.array, say 1, 2, 3. Then we can have 5, 6, and we can have third group, which is 7, 8, 9. Now, if you want to print we can see here that a list before a comma is a row, and after a comma, it becomes a column. So to find the dimension of this array, we write a dot ndim, and the output is 2. It's a 2-dimensional array. Now we'll see how to create other NumPy array. Suppose we want to create an array of zeros. So we will write np dot zeros of, say, the matrix 5. So if you want to print, so now we will move on to other NumPy array. Now, if you want to find the arrays of zeros, so we'll find it by writing np.zeros, and we'll have an array of matrix 5 into 5. And this is the answer. Now, if you want to find the arrays of ones, we write O is equal to np.ones, say, of the matrix 2, 4, and print we can see there are 2 rows with 4 columns. Now, to use the empty function to find some random elements, we write np.empty, and in that, say we want empty elements of this order. This gives us 4 rows with 5 columns, having all the random elements. Now we will use a range function, which is used in floating point argument. So to write that, we write np.arange. We want numbers from 100, and we move backwards to 20, and the difference should be 5. So this range is given this way. So this is all about all the NumPy basics. Hope you like this video. To watch more videos, subscribe to Ivy's YouTube channel.